On screen, I've got two icons. The top one is the version 4 Elementor Atomic SVG. The bottom one is your traditional Elementor version 3 icon. I'm going to address the issue with regards to how you set the border radius if you want to make it curved or a circle, because it's not the same as what you do in version 3. Now in version 3, the way you could do it is you could go over to where you've uploaded your icon, go to where you have the view. Now if you go for framed, it's going to give you a frame, and then you could still add in a background color. Or you could go for stacked and you're going to get the same thing, and you can set it up to be rounded or circular. You can go and set up your primary color, and of course you could change radius to be less rounded or how circular you want to make it. That was pretty simple in version 3. But with version 4, it's not as clear cut. So if I go to the version 4 SVG icon, again the same kind of thing, you would add in your media icon, but nowhere here do you have the stacked or frame option. In fact, you could go through all of these styling over here. You could even go to border radii, because I bet some of you are thinking, yeah, this is where you do it. Watch what happens when I go and add in 1,000. That has not curved at all. So here's how you make it be curved. You go over to size in the version 4 style tab. You know where you set your width and your height. And can you see overflow? Look what happens when I click overflow hidden. And now if I go to the border, which is currently blank, but we get the circle, and I go and pop in 50, you see the effect we get. So if you want to make your version 4 SVG icons be curved or circular, overflow hidden, then you go to the border. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Sign up for our YouTube channel. Check out our Elementor website course that goes into a heck of a lot of detail with Elementor version 4 and of course version 3 as well. See you soon. Take care. Bye.